This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. Then it gives a false narrative to the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, these government agencies, these government officials, they want us to believe that the banking industry is doing well. They want us to believe that the banks are not hanging on by their fingernails. And I'm not just talking about the regional banks and the small little community banks. I am talking about the big dogs, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. Well, guess what Moody's did? Moody's has downgraded JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo from stable to negative. What does that tell you? Does that tell you that Moody sees a bright banking future? Or does Moody see that the banks are in trouble? And the justification that they gave for the downgrade in rating was that they don't think that the government is stable enough to help the banks out if they get in trouble. Now, what is that saying indirectly? Well, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any bank stock, but if Moody thinks that the banks are going to need government bailouts and the government don't have the bailouts to give them, what is Moody saying indirectly about the banks? They're saying that the banks on their own can't sustain themselves. They're saying that the banks are over-leveraged. They're saying that the management at the banks are not doing their job because Moody is anticipating that the banks are going to need government bailout soon. And they think the government doesn't have enough resources in order to bail them out. And once again, we're not talking about some small community bank. We're not talking about some regional bank. We're talking about the big dog. We're talking about JP Morgan Chase. We're talking about Wells Fargo. We're talking about Bank of America. So if JP Morgan Chase, if Moody's think that these three banks might be in need of government bailout soon, what is Moody seeing in the future for our economy and the banking industry? Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. What do you think about Moody downgrading these three banks from stable to negative? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.